So hello guys, so today I found this amazing open source TypeScript AI agentic framework, that is a multi-agent framework. So as we know, uh, in terms of multi-agentic like AI frameworks, we have a lot of frameworks in Python, but we see very less of them in JavaScript environment. So in Python we used to have LangChain, LangGraph, this AutoGen, Crew AI, Pydantic AI, Agno, and a lot of others. So but in JavaScript and TypeScript environment we have this LangChain and LangGraph, but very less, like only a few libraries and frameworks around AI agentic stuff. But we got this now, I found this. I'm yet to explore much enough, but yes, I have explored some. Let me show you this VoltAgent. So wait, yeah. So this VoltAgent is a TypeScript AI agent framework. So we can see the like I will show you the code, and we also get this developer console, the overall workflow, like how it's happening. I'll show you later onwards. So we got this tool calling, all this memory, dynamic prompting and all this stuff. And let me show you their docs. Yep, where is it? Yep. So in the docs we have the quick start of them, and we have the tools, we have the retriever, that is for rag, and we have this MCP. Like I found this like good enough because if you guys know about MCP use, what MCP use does is the tools that are suppose you have a MCP server where you are exposing your tools, so you can fetch those tools and give to your AI agent. So that is like what MCP use does. So that's inbuilt in this framework also. Like in VoltAgent we can also do the same. We can take out, like, fetch the tools from our MCP server and put them into our agent. Suppose we have this where is it? Yep. Let me show you. Here it is. So suppose we have this agent, like agent, new agent, name, description, which models. Yep. So in this we can fetch the tools, like mcp config dot get tools. We can fetch the tools in our MCP server, and we can means put the tools inside our agent. So yes, it's a nice thing, MCP coming in all over the places. So this is a nice thing to implement, and we got this inbuilt in this framework. And also, we have this multi-agent concept, that is using subagents. There is a supervisor agent. Yep, there is a supervisor agent, and in supervisor agent we can have multiple subagents, like a story agent, translator agent in these cases. So yep, that's also a great thing. And we also have this voice thing. So yeah, for voice, like text to speech and speech to text, all these things. Yeah, you can explore all these things. And also what I found is, yeah, there inbuilt memory system. If we chat with the, if we have I'll show you the code. But suppose I have the code and I have run the code. What it does is, it by default store the chats and chat history in one of the SQL, where is it? This is, yeah, in one local SQLite file. It used to store the chat history and everything. And also we can integrate it with nextjs. It also have one starter template. And also let me show their github repo. Here is it, their github repo. So yeah, the stars count is less, so do give it a star. I found it great enough. And we can see their examples. They have a pretty lot of examples, like GitHub repo analyzer, GitHub Composio MCP, Google AI, and a lot of things like MCP, Next.js, Start template, Rag chatbot, and a lot of examples are there. You can go through it, and you can there is also one voice with 11 labs. You can check that out as well. I basically explored this thing. Let me show you. Where is it? Yep, GitHub repo analyzer. So I have taken this command and paste it in my terminal, and I got this starter template, that is the GitHub repo analyzer. So what it does is, it takes, it has 3 agents, I guess. Yep, 3 agents. So star fetching agent, contributor fetching agent, and the analyzer agent. So their descriptions are given, name given, description given, and like LLM provider. For now I'm using OpenAI, so you have to put in the API key in .env. And also fetches, yeah, one extra thing, they have a lot of providers, like let me show you. Where is it? Yep, this is it. So they not only OpenAI, they have got Claude, like you can put up the base URL of any OpenAI compatibility URLs, like providers. You have got Google, and a lot of things like groq AI. Yeah, also you can put the base URLs also of AI, like OpenAI compatibility providers. So yep, this is it. And yeah, these three agents is are the subagents in our supervisor agent. Yep, you can see in our supervisor agent we are giving these three agents as subagent, and we are putting this, initializing this. And if we initialize this, wait, let me clear the console terminal and do npm run dev. And one nice thing you will see in this URL, console dev, this URL, what you will see is this thing. Let me show you. Yeah, you will be redirected to this page, and you will be shown this thing, like I have three subagents and this main agent supervisor. So you can see the whole diagram, like how it is happening. So whole thing is there, like from the input, taking from the input to like memory, supervisor agent and whatnot, like input for this star fetcher agent. This this, I guess this is the like tool. Yep, this is the tool. Let me show you. This is the tool, like suppose where is it? Yep, star fetching agent is yeah, star fetching agent has one tool, that is fetch repo star tool, that is coming from this function. So you can write your own functions and use them as a tool. Like in this case we are using this tool as to, like in the star fetching agent, and this tool in contributor fetching agent. And yep, that's all. So yeah, you can see the graph, like this star fetching agent is using this tool, and it has separate memory. Contributor fetch agent has also one tool, it has one memory. And the repos analyzer don't have any tool, as we saw, and we have memory with it. So yeah, you can see all these things. And so you can see that how beautiful it is, like it has inbuilt all these flowchart and workflows, and it's very easy to use, as we saw the code. And yep, that's it. Like do give it a try, and I will like I also have some, like I will be also exploring much more deep. Let me know in the comment if you want something to build upon this framework with like Python has a lot of frameworks, but I love this that developers coming in and developing something in JavaScript environment. So we are also getting agentic AI agentic stuff in JavaScript ecosystem. So that's great for the developer community. And yeah, so if you like the video, do like it, like, share, subscribe and all those stuff. And we'll see you in our next video. Till then, peace.